You have the fool? You're the one then. Go for it. What are you putting on?
Oh, using the meguiars no surface clay.
Okay. Alright.
Got a microfiber top. Clean the wax.
Sweet.
Quick detailer.
Sweet. And what are you gonna use this on? On what kind of car?
On a 1952 Chevy Deluxe.
Let me see. That's a beauty. Who's it belong to?
My brother.
Sweet.
Right here we got the clay.
Sweet.
We're gonna do it on this little panel. So, just put it on here.
93.5 today. Daisy's still holding it down.
My station.
Dirty. Gonna go one more time over it.
One more time?
Yeah. Make sure it gets really into the contaminants it has. Take them out. Not that dirty anymore.
Sweet.
Well, I'm not gonna use this wax because first I'm gonna use the meguiars ultimate compound. This one right here. Microfiber pack, so it won't scratch it. Move the tag. Apply some on the pan. Oh, no. First, yeah. There we go. every time? Yeah, it's clean. It's good. Put over. Alright. Next. I'm gonna use this one for the wax. The wax we're gonna use is Gold Class. Meguiars Gold Class Renewable Plus. Like about it, they include the pad already.
Sweet.
It's brand new, so I gotta open it. Alright. Touch it so you can feel the difference.
Okay. Yeah.
Back in a flash, with more back in the day.
Was the night before Christmas, and inside the den was a clamor so thundering I quickly ran in. I looked to my right. What a Yule-type memento!
Now we'll wait for a while.
Red stocking, a Kia Sorrento, a vehicle for one of the fastest growing brands in the nation.
What are we waiting for?
Huh? For it to dry completely, so we could
So much
put it back in.
technology, there's never a shortage. MP3 USB input for kids, all of them IIHS top safety picks. And on the radio I heard, much to my delight, happy savings to all, and to all a good night.
Hurry into your local Kia retailer to get 0% APR financing plus $1,500 bonus cash for qualified buyers on the 2010 Forte and to learn the top 10 reasons to buy a Kia. Sorrento 2010 top 60 big right insurance institute for highway safety.
Alright, should be ready now.
Offer for 2436 2010 Forte only. For 0% APR monthly payment for $1,000 financing 24 months, 4167. Bonus cash from CAMAT with CAMAT financing down payment monthly delivery by 1311.
Welcome back to Lowe's, Andre. Hey, Fred. So you finished with all your gift shopping?
Man, so far from finished.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Big family, long list.
Well, look, Lowe's has a bunch of great offers, so I'm sure you'll find something for everyone. Check this out. We have a 16-gallon wet-dry shop vac now, only $49.
Okay.
It was $99. Wow. Or get a 10-inch ratcheting wrench for free when you buy a Stanley Boston
It's
well,
smooth.
always use new
Smooth as glass.
And that shop vac will be good for my father-in-law.
Squeaky clean.
And we also have 20% off all in-stock vacuums and small appliances.
Sweet.